Welcome, my name is Thomas LEDFORD, and I'm here to share in this video my tax preparation guide / ebook that I'm selling for $27. It has a few bonuses with it that the bonuses by itself is worth the price of the ebook. And it's to help new entrepreneurs who look to start their own tax service to get started in a simple way, a fast way, and an easy way, because A, they have a person that has 19 years of experience, 13 as a business owner, who's there to guide them through a process and so help them to get set up and get started and be ready for the 2020 season, which starts January of 2021. And so if you are that person that's already preparing tax returns for Jackson Hewitt at H&R Block, or for an independent company, or even just for yourself, and you're ready to go to the next level by starting your own tax business, and you want to make that shift from working for a company to being your own tax business, then this guide is the workflow I take my clients through to make it happen. And so the next step from the guide is joining my mentorship and coaching program. And it's $997 to join that program, which is going to allow me to help you set up your tax business, allow you to have me as your business guide that's going to help you to not make the mistakes I made by being in the tax preparation industry that could have easily put me out of business. But through the grace of God, I had a couple of nice young ladies who were all about educating me and giving me a chance to get it right so I can still be around like I am today. So if you're looking for some guidance and you're looking to get the help you need to help get you started, and you haven't taken action yet, but you know in your heart you want to start your own tax business, and you got experience already, and you got skills, and you're confident in your ability to become a good business owner and a tax preparation professional, and you want to get started, we still have time to make that happen. You know, the IRS made some changes when it comes to putting in your application for your EFIN, which stands for Electronic Filing Identification Number. So one of the biggest changes is they made it where you have to create a secure account in order to be able to put in the application now to get your EFIN number. And so the EFIN number is a 6-digit number that allows you to buy professional software and work with third-party banks that's going to collect your money on your behalf. So that's the proper way to be in alignment with having a tax service. Any other way other than one I just described is illegal. So if you want to be legit, you want to be credible, you want to be honorable, you want people to take you serious as a business owner in the tax preparation industry, then I can help you make that happen. I've got a simple program that's designed to help fast track your success. The key to your success is going to be you taking action on the information that I'm going to give you. That's how that works. I don't believe in get rich quick scams and schemes. It's all about hard work, self-sacrifice, and you being willing to do the work, which is going to allow you to get the success you're looking for in your life. And so if you're that person who's looking to get started, you're looking to make that shift, because it's a shift you have to make from being an employee to being an employer in this industry, with the rules and regulations and the compliances and all the things that govern us. If you're going to be in business, you want to be in business the right way. You know? And so I'm here to help guide you through that process. And this tax preparation success guide is the workflow that I take my clients through. So if you purchase a guide for $27, you get 3 bonuses that come with it. That's prices in itself. That's going to help you to fast track your business and help you to get started real quickly. And at the same time, based on your other skill sets, knowledge, and experience, I can sit down with you and help you to monetize your business to the point where you might be in a position to start generating income this year. So when 2021 come around, you already got a foundation set. You already got your business up and running. You already got your infrastructure in place. And now you're just ready to take customers in and be able to provide the service of helping them with their tax preparation needs. And so in this video, we're going to cover some of the modules that's inside the tax preparation guide that I take clients through to help them to get started with their tax service. And so the most important part of the module is module 1, business setup, including EFIN number. Because see, without the business setup portion of it, you don't have a business to even talk about. And so that's the most important part of this module, is making sure that, hey, we got your EIN number, you got your doing business name set up. We talk about, are you going to start out as a sole proprietor, or are you going to incorporate, which is a whole nother level of liability insurance in the sense that the business is separate from you. Sole proprietors are people who can use their EIN number or they can use their social security number, but due to the IRS recommendation, even if you elect to stay sole proprietor getting started, we will get your EIN number because we want to go with the IRS recommendation that you use that employer's identification number in order to do business with. And so that's how that'll go. And then with the EFIN application, it's normally 45, 60, 90 days, depends on how busy and backlogged the IRS may be, will determine the overall process. And so for guys who don't have professional credentials already, meaning you're not already a CPA, you're not already an enrolled agent, you're not already a tax attorney or something to that nature, then we'll have to do fingerprints, which are affordable. 2 fingerprint cards are affordable, along with the application process. You do the application, we submit the application, then we do the fingerprints, we put the tracking number on the application, other fingerprint cards, we mail those in, priority mail, to the address given. Then the IRS receives those, they process it, they do a background check on you, make sure you're suitable to receive the number and become a part of the tax preparation system. And if they deem you are, you get your 6-digit number and you get ready to go to the next phase. So the next phase, once you get your number, is getting tax software and third-party bank enrollment. And so those two go hand in hand because all professional software work with third-party banks. And so the software I'm with is Drake Software. So they got 3 to 4 banks they already associated with. And so you get to research those to see which one you want to choose based on the benefits, features that they offer, what's going to be the key to you choosing one bank versus another. With you being new to the industry and getting started, the minimum requirement is a 2-year experience certification. So if you haven't been preparing taxes for a minimum of 2 years, then you'll get denied for being able to get your EFIN number, and not your EFIN number, but being able to work with a third-party bank. So that's the part of the requirement. So that's why you have to have experience already, or at least been working for a tax preparation firm that's going to give you the experience needed. So if they need third-party proof of experience, you'll be able to provide that. So the next thing is, all software is not created equal. Drake Software is high-end software. That's the software I recommend, regardless of your budget, because that software already has 10 different type of returns you can do that's already designed for you to scale and grow your firm when that time comes. And if you're working with me, I'm going to give you creative and resourceful ways to be able to maximize the software with the other different type of returns that you may not be able to do, but being able to partner with other people who may be able to do partnerships and corporations and estate planning and things of that nature, where they can use your software and pay you a fee for that because they don't have the software available for themselves to use. And so the partnership level is another way of generating additional income. Another thing is Module 3 talks about office supplies, equipment, and furniture. And based on where you started, I started from home. So I already had a computer, I already had a desk, I already had a computer chair, I already had a printer. And so the majority of the stuff I already had to get started, I had already. All I had to do was purchase the software, which, like I said, third-party banks came hand in hand with that. And so that was how that worked for me when it came to me getting started. And so my results are not typical. I made $40,000 in my first tax season. Everyone is not going to make that type of income. And so I had to give you that disclosure verbally, as well as I have a written statement letting you know that all results are not typical. And mine definitely not typical because the average person getting started with their own tax business didn't make $40,000 like I did. And so that's my success. That's my story. And so everybody is going to be different. The next thing is payroll, bookkeeping, and outsourcing options. When it comes to based on your skill sets, maybe you got multiple skills. Maybe you're able to do tax preparation and do your own books. That means you don't have to worry about the bookkeeping aspect of doing your own books for your own business. And so that's a plus, an asset for you. But if you don't have those skills when it comes to being able to keep your own books, as far as payroll or bookkeeping options, then outsourcing that to someone will be an option. When I got started, I got with ADP Payroll Solutions, to take care of my payroll services. So, those are the options we use based on where we are in our journey when it comes to getting started as new business owners. The next thing is business insurance, tools, and resources. We're going to definitely recommend, especially if you're starting at a commercial location, get some liability insurance to cover your office equipment, your furniture, your supplies, and things of that nature. So if a fire happens or theft happens, you'll be able to recoup the losses from that. And then the different tools they use is going to help streamline our success when it comes to how we operate our business, when it comes to collecting documents from the clients and sending documents back, having a secure way to do that, so sensitive information won't get caught up with the risk of being hacked and falling in the wrong hands. And so that's one of the things you want to make sure is taken care of. Another thing, Module 6 is compliance training and additional income streams. The compliance training that I'm talking about is going to fall under the third-party bank situation, as well as having your due diligence requirements under your belt, being good at what those are about, being able to understand how to interpret that information, and being able to apply it to each and every client that's going to come through your door. It's going to help keep you out of trouble. It's going to help you keep you from possibly losing finances, as well as tarnishing your reputation, as well as possible even criminal charges can be something that you can put yourself in a situation to have to face. So I'm here to guide you through everything that's going to help you not get into the same type of experiences and type of trouble and type of mistakes I made on my journey with me being in this industry for the last 19 years, the last 13 years of business owner. So through my mentorship and coaching program, that's what you'll get. So if you go through my mentorship and coaching program right out the gate, you'll get the tax preparation guide for free. And so right now I got a special going on with my mentorship and coaching program. Like I said, it's $997, but I'm doing a special for $597. And that's going to last until June the 25th. And after that time, it'll go back to $997. And so along with 6 payments of $197, once it go back up to the regular price point. And so what you'll get by working with me is you get someone who's got all the experience, knowledge, and insight needed that's going to help a new business owner like you in the tax preparation space get started, help you to alleviate all the pains and headaches and frustrations of trying to figure stuff out, having questions that's going to come about that you never dealt with before, especially when it comes to tax preparation in itself. Having clients walk through the door who might have estimated tax payments they have to do, 1099 miscellaneous forms, 1099K forms, stocks and bonds situations, all these things that's going to come about that you have no experience with yet because you're a new business owner to the tax preparation industry is what makes me priceless by having me on your team, by having me work with you when it comes to getting you started, when it comes to your tax preparation business. For me, my business was all about tax preparation only, but that's going to vary. That's going to be different based on where you're coming in at, based on your knowledge, your skill sets, and your experience. For a person who's going to school for accounting, who's going to take the CPA exam, their tax preparation services are going to have tax preparation along with other services provided based on the fact that he's an accountant and he's going to get his certification as a CPA. So he's going to be able to provide additional services other than tax preparation to his business, because based on his skill sets and the reason he's going to college and getting his degree, he's going to be able to add additional services to his tax preparation business. And so that's going to be the difference between what I did for years opposed to what a person who went to school to be a CPA going to do inside of their tax preparation business. So the experience level and the journey and educational level and skill sets is going to play a role in what type of services you're going to provide inside of your business, which is different for everybody. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so every time I upload a video go live, you'll be notified. And so inside the description of this video, you'll be able to go to my website, purchase the guide for $27, and get the free bonuses that come with it that's going to be priceless. Or you can simply take advantage of my mentorship and coaching program, which is on special for $597, where you can get the free guide that'll be included along with some other bonuses that will make buying and working with me priceless. And so I'll see you in my next video.